Welcome back. This short Excel tutorial will show you how to spell check a document or worksheet. We'll be doing this sheet by sheet, so to do this for this sheet you want to go to the review tab, and simply in the review tab you want to go to spelling. Now it might be a slightly different icon depending on the version of Excel, but it should be something like spelling. You can also hit F7 as well. So if we click spelling, it will say, do you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet, because our cell's obviously selected here. So we'll just hit yes, and then obviously I put some fruits and I misspelt lemons. So there you go, it's got the suggested one. So you can click change, and then spell check is complete. If you had no errors, you just get that message at the end there. So that's it, nice and simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.